फट के हाथ में आ जा रही। एक छुरी का बच्चा नहीं है पिछले इतने के किलोमीटर से।
प्राइस कितनी गाड़ी की?
ये 6 लाख की है। So just done with some tasty food on the way, and I had some dahi also to keep my stomach warm. Gokarna is 400 kilometers away, Kolhapur is 100 kilometers away, and everyone here told me that the roads are gonna be good. I guess I'm gonna have a great time. Fueled up, both the bike and myself. Had some coffee also, so all set. मौत डाल देना है अब खाली 6 lane road पे. And as usual, the views are excellent. I'm sure you all must have been bored by me saying that 100 times. So now this road is still a bit under, a little bit of work under progress. The road after Satara towards Kolhapur, Belgaum, etc., etc. So I just realized I'm riding on the Golden Quadrilateral Road. I'm sure a lot of you don't know what that is. So I had this chapter in geography in class 10th or 8th, I'm not sure, I don't remember. There's this quadrilateral kind of stretch of roads which goes around the country. They're one of the most famous, one of the most well-built roads in the country is the Golden Quadrilateral. And now this road is under the 4-laning project. Like 4 this side, 4 that side. So I'm sleepy as fuck, but I generally don't fall asleep on the bike or in the car. I just feel very fatigued and sleepy. Like my body wants to rest but my eyes don't close. It's a plus point. But anyways, the reason is the rice which I had. I always tell people not to have rice while riding, but I did because चावल की बहुत तलब हो रही थी. I didn't eat proper rice since all the past few days I've been out riding. I just had some Gajera rice, and here I am, even after a coffee and dahi after that, sleepy as fuck. So these two stupid fucks tried to cut me off. Honda City expected Ricer, and the new Innova guy, probably some mantri running late for a meeting. इसको तो पक्का पैखाना आ रहा. देखो 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 घुस जा रहा बस में. तो कट मारता देखो. अरे ना खुद जाते ना जाने देते. घुस जा माकड़े जाके ऑटो में. छूतिया साला. So I just stopped for chai, but the hotel is not yet open. They're inaugurating it on 24th, I believe, so nothing's available. So I'm at Kolhapur, and my friend is with some riders, and they're all somewhere on the interiors of Kolhapur exploring. So even they're going the same route, but by the time they come out, it's gonna take time, and they don't cross 60 apparently, so can't really be riding with them. And what the so yep, I have to try and get to at least Hubli before sundown. So my friend just called me. She said they are leaving now from Kolhapur, getting onto the highway. So I'll probably meet them up, as in we won't stop. She'll just join. She and a group we'll be riding together for a distance, I guess, because they don't cross 60 is what I heard. And also it's 4 o'clock, so I'll just find a nice place to stop and have some chai while they come up to the highway. So as you can see, people are standing here to appreciate my bike, and I had just stopped for tea and my friends just passed me. I told them to keep going as their pace is a bit slow, so I'll catch up with them up ahead. Vishaka and all, the 3 bikers. Let me just put on some nice rad music. चलिए साहब, दुआओं में याद रखिए. जज़ाकल्लाह.
A few moments later.
So we're all done clicking pictures. They'll be going a bit slow as they have some senior riders also with them in the group. So we just like 100 kilometers before Belgaum, 100 or 80, I'm not sure how many, and I'll be speeding up the pace a bit. That's a Z250 by the way, looks very much like that. I mistook it for a Z800. So I think we'll be crossing the Gokarna path at night. I don't know how clear the video is gonna be, so I'll vlog till I can vlog, and if it gets too late I'll show you guys Gokarna ka returning path in the next vlog, which will be Gokarna to Bangalore. That's her bike, full jipang jipang jing bang jipang, all purple green and shit. So that's her bike, the modified Duke 390. The link to her Instagram profile is down there in the description below. She's one of the few genuine biker girls I know who doesn't post like half naked pictures to promote her Instagram feed like most of them do. These guys are maintaining a very slow pace, so I think I'll head away. मैं निकलता हूँ. चलो चलो, see you. Gads, why you do that, Innova? So yeah, you can see beautiful roads coming up ahead. Anyways, my point is the sun's going down. It's 5:35 and I probably don't think I'll reach even Hubli before sundown, so let alone Gokarna. So I'll vlog till I can vlog. I don't really want to be vlogging in the night because you guys really can't enjoy the scenery. I don't want to bore you guys out. So anyways, are you serious? Baigan ka naam hai vlog and 3-lane road hai bhai, sab dekho, and that is so beautiful. I don't wonder which area this is. It's just before Belgaum, like 60 kilometers before Belgaum. I wonder what factory that is, but it's huge. There's a board of a hotel, Naveen, 12 kilometers. I really don't think that's a hotel. Look at it, man. Huge. Factories are trippy. This road smells of beer. Literally. Sharab ki buhari puri. No wonder we are approaching Goa. Silky, crazy road. I've been maintaining 140, 150 since the last, I don't know how many kilometers. It's getting boring. Bombay to Goa बोल के picture भी थी ना एक. I'm reliving that moment. Bombay to Goa. I don't know what lake this is, but I'm gonna stop here. Yes. Just look at it. So I had just stopped over to check out the view, and in the meanwhile I thought I'll just check on my oil level, and I forgot that my helmet is on the saddlebag. So the helmet fell on the road and I got a heart attack, but thankfully nothing happened to the camera or the intercom. No scratches, but I got some serious scratches on my visor. I'm so pissed off right now. So you all have to be very careful when you're keeping your helmet, where you're keeping it, how you're keeping it. Sometimes you forget and you just move the bike around, it falls. I have huge scratches on the visor, and on top of that bugs. You can't really ride with the visor up. If it went for these extra auxiliary LED lights, I would have been royally screwed. They make quite a lot of difference, as you can see. 100 kilometers before Hubli, 640, cold. I don't know why the road smells like a medical hall. I don't know how much of the road you guys can see, but this road is even crazier than all the other roads I had ridden on before, and it's a shame that I got so late. Otherwise this road would have looked beautiful at daytime. I don't know how much of it you are able to see at night. It is out of this country. Generally people say out of this world, but I do know there are a lot of better roads than this in the world, but I don't think there are any better roads in this part of the country than this. It's smooth, no bumps, 3-lane, no bullshit. God, I could cruise at 200 on this road all day. I don't know if you guys can see, but highway is so crazy, it even has a service road beside. There are no animals, there are no people, just the road, the machine and you. So I just had some food, a quick bite, and packed some because it's gonna get late by the time I reach there and my dinner rehta ki nahi ki. So I'm 170 kilometers away from Gokarna. I have to take a diversion from somewhere, so to be on the safer side, I've enabled GPS, and it's just the GPS, the road and me. So it's 8:30 now, and I just entered the diversion from the main highway to get to Gokarna, and as you can see, it's a 1-lane road with not even any markers, so it's fucked up, and I'm pretty sure you can't see shit. And I have to ride on this road for the next 150 kilometers, so wish me luck. And there are unmarked speed breakers too, God knows for what joy. So that's it for today's vlog. Bye bye. So this is the road to Gokarna, guys. So many those cat eyes and all. It's a 1-lane road, but it's beautifully laid out. Just be careful at the villages and the speed breakers. And I'm surrounded by forests on both sides, so I'm a little bit tensed. It's okay. All these cat eyes make the road easier to, more visible. And everywhere you have caution drive slow boards. It's better you drive slow. गांड फट के हाथ में आ जा रही। एक छुड़ी का बच्चा नहीं है पिछले कितने किलोमीटर से।